Today, I want to show you how to set up your conversion campaign for your community lead magnet funnel. Now, we created this funnel yesterday, and you'll see we have the opt in page and we have the thank you page. And what we want to do is set up a Facebook ad so that we can track all of our leads that are coming in. Hey y'all, Bridget Bartlett here. Before we dive into today's training, I really want to encourage you, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and make sure to go to myvisionagency.com to join our free community where we're actually live right now with open office hours. So I hope to see you there. Now, the first thing we need to do is actually create our pixel. So I'm going to go into my business manager of Facebook. I'm going to go into the settings, go to data sets and pixels, and I'm going to create a new data set, which is also known as a pixel. Now, I like to name my data sets the website URL, makes it easy to keep track of. So I'm going to name this mychosendomain.com. And I'm going to go ahead and click create. Now, before we get to the events manager, let's X out of this. And we need to actually assign ourselves to this pixel. So I'm going to click here to assign. I'm going to select myself and make sure I have full control and assign. Now I also want to go to connected assets and I want to make sure my ad account's connected to this data set. So I'm going to choose my ad account and click add and done. Now I want to go to the events manager. So I'm going to click here and you'll see this step here to set up the meta pixel. So I'm going to click here and we want to install the code manually. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to copy this code. Now I want to go back into my HighLevel account and I'm going to go to settings and I want to put this in the head tracking code box. So I'm just going to click Control V to paste. Let's go ahead and save. Now I'm going to go back into the business manager. I'm going to click continue and we can turn on automatic advanced matching and done. Now, the next thing we need to do is set up our conversions. So I'm going to click here to set up the conversion API. And I'm going to choose other ways. And I'm going to choose the option to set up manually. Click next. And we're going to go ahead and choose conversions API and metapixel. Click next. And now we want to click here to start the CAPI setup. You will notice the background change. When you see that, you can just X out of that. Now I'm going to scroll down here and click continue. And here we want to select the type of business that we have. So if we're a service-based business, then let's go ahead and choose other business category. And then we want to choose the categories here that we want to track. So I'm just going to say contact because we want that info. And then also lead. I'm not tracking purchases here. This is just to invite people to the free community. So I'm only going to track the leads. And let's click continue. Now here we want to make sure that we are selecting the event ID and we want to select all of these boxes here. And we want to do that for each of these options. So I'm going to go through and select all of this. Now let's go to the lead, select event ID, and let's select all of these categories because we want to capture as much data as possible. Okay, so now that we have selected all of our options there, I'm going to click continue and we'll click continue again. And continue again. Now you'll see when we scroll down here, we can generate the access token. That's really what we're looking for here. So I'm actually going to click here to generate the token. Now, when you click the data set box here, if the data set that you have just created is not selected, make sure to go ahead and select that here. Now we're going to go ahead and generate the access token and we're going to copy this token. Now we're going to go back into our HighLevel account. We're going to go into the automation that we created yesterday. I'm going to click in here. We're going to scroll down to the Facebook conversion API, and then we're going to paste that token that we just created here in the box. Now you'll see we need one more thing here, and that's the pixel ID. So let's go back into our account. Let's scroll to the bottom and click finish. And if we go over to the settings here, you'll see you can copy that pixel ID. We're going to take that back here and paste it into the box. And you'll see this is set to the lead stage. So we're just going to save action and then save our workflow. Now, every time we get a lead through this workflow, it's actually going to trigger Facebook to let them know that this is a lead on this website. And Facebook will actually optimize our ad based on the data that it's collected and try to help us get more leads because it learns the people who are opting in as a lead. You could also go back into your funnel here, and you'll see if you go to events, we actually have the ability to paste in that pixel and your access token, and then it will track the data on your Facebook pixel based on page view. Now, we do not have the ability to track yet for leads using this option, and that's why we need to set that up in the workflow. Now, if you have any questions at all, feel free to go to myvisionagency.com and you can join our free community here. If you're not a HighLevel customer yet, you can click here to join and you'll actually receive a free membership in our reseller program. If you're already a HighLevel customer, you can click here to join directly. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I look forward to working with you in open office hours. Go make your vision a reality.